Good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Oshi Jain. Today's my Viva topic is vital signs. Vital signs are the measurements that indicate the status of essential body functions. There are four main types. What is body temperature? Reflect the body ability to generate and distribute heats. Then pulse rate, the numbers of time the heart beats per minute, indicating cardiac functions. Respiratory rate, the numbers of breath per minute, reflecting lungs and cardiovascular function. Then blood pressures, the force exerted by circulating blood on the walls of blood vessels, consisting of systolic and diastolic pressures. Then oxygen saturations, that is SpO2, the percentage of oxygen bound hemoglobin in the blood, indicating oxygenation status. Then pain level, subjective assessment of pain intensity, often measured using various scales such as numerical rating scale or visual analyze scale. Blood glucose level, the concentration of glucose in the blood curricular for energy metabolisms and indicate of diabetes management. Level of consciousness, assigning a personal alertness and responsiveness, often using scales like the common scale. Then capillary refill times, the time it takes the blood to return the capillaries after pressure is applied the fingernail to toenail bed, indicating peripheral circulations. Then urinary output, the amount of urine produced over a certain period, reflecting kidney functions and fluid balance. These additional measurements provide valuable information about a person's overall health and help healthcare professionals in diagnosis and managing various conditions. Then pain scale, the scale measures the intensity of pain increased by the patients, often using a numerical or descriptive scales. Then body mass index, a measurements calculated by the height and weight, indicating whether a person is under height, normal weight, overweight or obese. Then electrocardiogram, the records the electric activity of the heart, providing information about the heart rhythms and functions. uh, Pulicular response, this axis the size, shapes and reactivity of the pupils, which can indicate neurological functions and responsive. Then skin color and temperature, these observations can provide clues about the circulation, perfusions and potential issues such as shocks or hypothermia. Then bowel sounds, these are the axis by listening to the abdomen with the stethoscopes and can indicate the gastrointestinal motility and functions. Then serum electrolyte levels, this include measurements of sodium, potassium, calcium and others ion in blood curricular for various physiological process. Then intracranial pressures, this measures the pressure inside the skull, important in managing head injuries and neurological concepts conditions. Each of these measurements provides valuable insights into different aspects of person's health, can provide healthcare providers more informed decisions and diagnosis and treatment. Then vital signs and its types. Vital signs are measurement that indicates the status of essential body function, that are the four types. Blood glucose level, the concentrations of glucose in the blood curricular for energy metabolism and indicative of diabetes management. Level of consciousness, alertness and responsive, often using scales like glossary scales. Then capillary refills times, it times to takes the over blood. Urinary output, the amount of urine produced over a certain period, reflecting kidney functions and fluid balance. This additional measurement provide valuable information about a person overall health and healthcare professional in diagnosis and managing various conditions. Body mass index, a measurement calculated by using height, weight, indicating a person is under height, normal height, weight, overweight or obese. Electrocardiogram, this record the electrical activity of the heart, providing information about heart rhythms and functions. Then pupillary response, this axis the size, shapes and reactivity of the pupils, which can indicate neurological functions and responses. Peripheral fusions. Fusions, the axis of the quality of blood flow to extremities, often checked by evaluating skin temperatures, colors and capillary refill times. Thank you.